Do you know how to check the monthly or yearly performance of any random stock? Seasonality charts help uncover the historical trends by showing how stocks have performed across different months and years. These insights can help traders and investors better analyze the patterns and make more informed decisions. Now let us take a quick walkthrough and see how this works. From the CubePlus dashboard, start by clicking on Market Scan. When this page opens, you will notice that by default, the Seasonalitics section is already selected. From here, you can choose between NSE or BSE. For example, let us select NSE. Under NSE, you will see several indices available. If we choose Nifty 50, all the stocks listed in the Nifty 50 will appear on the screen. The first thing you will notice here is the heat map view. This gives you a quick visual of the best and the worst performers. The heat map uses a simple color scheme to make things easy to understand. Stocks above plus 5% appear in dark green, and those between 3% to 5% appear in a lighter shade of green. On the downside, below minus 5% is dark red, and minus 3% to minus 5% is light red. This makes it easy to quickly see how different stocks have performed. You can also switch between the heat map and list view to check the current performance. For example, if we look at March, you can see detailed data like the monthly average return, last traded price, daily change, monthly change, value traded, and even the volume. If you want to explore deeper, you can open the historical view where all the stocks from the selected index are listed along with their monthly average performance over the years. You can also switch exchanges and sectors. For example, selecting BSE and then BSE Auto will display all the auto stocks in that index. From here, you can view their performance heat map or analyze a specific stock. By studying these historical patterns, traders and investors can understand how certain stocks tend to behave during specific months. If you found this walkthrough helpful and would like to see more CubePlus feature demos, make sure to subscribe to the Tradejini YouTube channel and hit the like button. And to stay updated with more such market insights, you can also join our WhatsApp community, and the link is given in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.